This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Private retreat with rental potential on 5 acres. Welcome to this beautifully crafted 3-bedroom, 3-bath custom home nestled on 5 private acres. The exterior features durable Hardie board siding for low-maintenance living with long-lasting curb appeal. Inside, you'll find rich custom woodwork throughout, including stunning interior wood doors with stained glass accents. The spacious primary suite is a true retreat, complete with a sitting area and private office. The heart of the home is the inviting kitchen featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and generous space for cooking and entertaining. Enjoy cozy evenings by one of the 2 fireplaces, one in the main living room and the other in the bright and airy sunroom. With 3 distinct living spaces, this property offers incredible versatility. The terrace level includes a separate 1-bedroom, 1-bath suite with a kitchenette, ideal for in-laws, guests, or potential rental income. A detached 2-car garage includes a workshop and an additional 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment above, another excellent rental or guest option. Outside, you'll find a fenced yard, garden space, a chicken coop, a fire pit area, and an additional outbuilding perfect for a studio, craft room, or man cave. Whether you're seeking multi-generational living, income opportunities, or simply space to enjoy the outdoors, this one-of-a-kind property offers it all. Most furnishings are negotiable. For more information,